In this video you will learn how to connect a Crosley record player to Bluetooth, power on your Crosley record player, plug in and turn on your Crosley record player with the power switch, ensuring it's ready to pair, set the player to Bluetooth mode, locate the Bluetooth switch or button on your Crosley turntable and set it to Bluetooth or BT mode, enable Bluetooth on your device, on your phone, tablet or speaker, go to the Bluetooth settings, make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Search for available devices, let your device scan for nearby Bluetooth connections, then wait for Crosley or your turntable model to appear on that list. Select your record player, tap on the Crosley device name to pair. Once connected, you'll usually hear a confirmation tone and see a light indicator to prove it's connected. Start playing music. Place your vinyl record on the platter, starting and playing it, and enjoy the wireless sound through your connected Bluetooth speaker headset. Now you know how to connect Crosley record player to Bluetooth. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.